Samsung just made the craziest phone of the decade, and honestly, it looks like the future. This is Samsung's brand new TriFold smartphone, a phone that folds twice into a 10-inch tablet, and people are already asking one question. Is this revolutionary or just another expensive gimmick? Samsung officially revealed the Galaxy Z TriFold with a massive display, flagship specs, and a design straight out of sci-fi. When fully opened, it becomes almost tablet-sized. Closed, it still fits in your pocket. Reports say it could feature a Snapdragon flagship chip, a 200MP camera, AI-powered multitasking, and Samsung's most advanced hinge ever. But here's where things get wild. The rumored price is nearly $3,000. And while Samsung says this is the future of smartphones, some early users online reported display issues and durability concerns after only short use. At the same time, fake listings and scam resellers are exploding online because demand is insanely high. So yes, the phone is real, but buying from random sellers, that's the dangerous part. This might be the beginning of the next smartphone era or the most expensive experiment Samsung has ever made. But one thing is certain, the phone industry will never look the same again. Would you actually buy a TriFold phone? Comment future if yes, or scam if you think this thing won't survive.